Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have JBL Live Buds 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting with your phone or other device, or not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you decide to just get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to clear the pairing history, delete everything so you can set them up like they're brand new. We can do that really easily. You're just going to take the earbuds out of the case as shown here. They should turn on. And then we're just going to come over to one of the earbuds and we're going to triple tap it and we're going to hold on the third tap. So with the earbud on, we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, hold for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds on that third tap and hold, you should see it and the earbuds will turn off and then turn back on. And then they are reset to the factory default settings. You can go ahead and set them up like they're brand new.